Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And this video I'll be showing you how you can customize your text in HTML. All you have to do is just copy down these steps. You can change your font, your color, and as well as your size of the text. You have to just write down font. Now write size to customize its size. Its color equals to your color. And now you have to write the font in which format do you want it to type in. I'm going to choose Verdana, and if I run it, as you can see, it does not display me anything. That's because you have to write your text after choosing its size, color, and its face. And as you can see, if I go and run it now, as you can see, it has a changed size, color, and as well as it is in Verdana. So that's it for the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.